Sisig has a wonderful combination of savory and fatty flavors from the pork, and mixed with creamy delicious sauce that has a mild spice and citrus flavor. Using a big pot, add the water, pork, laurel leaves, pepper, and salt. Cover the pot and simmer on medium heat for 30 minutes or until the pork is tender. After 15 minutes of simmering, try to turn over the pork for even cooking. Once the pork is tender, remove it from the pan and transfer it to a cooling rack to drain excess water. Slice the pork into half-inch thickness. Prepare a griddle pan or any cast iron pan. Turn on the stove to medium heat, and there is no need to add oil because the pork contains sufficient natural fat. Once the pan is very hot, time to grill the pork slices until crispy and golden brown. Chop the pork into fine pieces. Now it's time to make the sauce of your sisig. Add the onions, liver spread, green chili, and mayonnaise. Mix everything together until everything is well blended. Add a soy sauce and calamansi juice. Continue mixing to incorporate all the flavors. The sauce should be extra delicious because this will highlight the overall taste of your sizzling sisig. Add some freshly ground black pepper to elevate the flavor of your sauce. Add the chopped pork into the sauce and mix it well until each piece of pork is well coated with the sauce. Sisig is traditionally served on a sizzling hot metal plate to retain heat. So heat the metal plate over medium to high heat. Add a tablespoon of butter and let it melt until it turns brown. Scoop about 2 cups of sisig onto the hot metal pan and let it fry for about a minute. Place the hot metal pan carefully onto the wood base. Make a crater in the middle of the sisig. Crack the egg on top. Mix the eggs right away or upon serving. You can garnish your sisig with calamansi and red chili. Thank you for watching! Please don't forget to like and share this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef Sheilla.